Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I have just a few colors left from my previous painting, to which I want to add some dazzling white if it'll open. And some perfect indigo if I can get some to come out. Put that someplace it won't leak. I've got Mystical Mystique. I want some more Vibrant Aqua. Oh, that's Cyan Aqua. Let's use the Vibrant Aqua. And I've got Cerulean Blue down there, so maybe I'll just add a little more Fandango. Because I like how that looks. And I don't know what's going to happen, but I still can add some more pink diamonds, so I'm going to do that too. And I did pull out some saffron, but I'm not sure. Might as well use it, I guess, if it'll unstick its top. Now if I go minimal, if I scoop some paint up and just put it down in one long stroke, that might be interesting. Or it might not. We'll give it a shot and see what happens. I still want Rhapsody Rose. Yeah, not unhappy I did that. Alright, I've got, I assume is a 12 by 12 inch canvas that I coated with Mead and Black paint. I've got a shovel. I've got some gold I didn't put in. This is Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And I'm just going to try and scoop up as much of this as I can. Actually, at the back of the shovel will help whatever's on the last to go in is going to be the first out. So if I put something at the back that I don't mind losing, that might be a good solution for me. It's almost time for a new paint pan, because some of it's stuck to the shovel. Stop. Let go. Come on, behave. I think I left my paint in there just maybe a little too long. Oh, I've got a fleck of something. Alright, we'll leave some paint in the pan. We might need to add something to that. See if I can pick this up without... Clever girl. Come on. Head's in the way. Pick up a little more paint, maybe. I used to have a big studio. It was cold and it was in Maine. I should be grateful, right? That looks kind of weird. to have to look for lumps after. I can tell that this, I'm not even going to be able to wait for after. There we go. I'm going to come from over here. Is there anything else in here? I could always squeeze something directly into my shovel. I've done that before. I might do it now. That was more dazzling white. More pink diamond. And I want to move the paint down from the edge of the shovel just so I have an opportunity to make sure it's going to flow out. But where from? Not sure how I'm feeling about any of that. I'm not even sure which way is up. But I do know, if I'm clever, I can snag a little more paint. And my cardboard make the bottom stiff. Can I do this? Might as well try. Otherwise I'm going to wind up washing the canvas off. Although it's probably not as bad as I'm thinking. And it might still turn out. Weirder things have happened. There's nothing wrong with cleaning out my dish either. Which is just about to go in the bucket. Because I've taken as much as I can possibly rescue out of there. And then it'll have to come down to whatever's in the shovel. Not sure where I want anything to go. I might want to grab a tool, dot some things before I do anything else. My Q-tip has paint already dried on it, so it doesn't absorb readily. It makes it kind of the perfect dotting tool. I've wanted to try one of these, what I'm going to call minimalist compositions for a while. Sorry, everything's at an angle. If the paint is thin, you can actually get away with dotting over it. It's a little strange, but it's kind of cool actually. I'm going to try and put big dollops of paint down. They're kind of subtle. If I actually touch the paint, it might swallow them. Depending on the viscosity of the paint, there's no guarantee they're going to stay either. There, like that. I don't mind that. I don't mind that either. I think just shy of putting a spiral in somewhere here, I might actually be done. That's a good spiral. I don't really think it needs too many more. Could use a little paint right there. Alright, not bad for leftovers. So work with what you've got scenario. And I like it. I see one more spot. I see two more spots. This is kind of gray up here. Thinking it could use a little lift. Once you start dotting, it's hard to stop. But I'm going to stop now. I'm going to give it a quick torch. Release any bubbles caught in the paint. Pat myself on the back for using up all my paint. I'm going to give it another spiral. Can't help it. It's just calling to me. And they add so much charm, I think. Thank you for joining me. Still thinking about dotting around that down bottom edge, and I could do that. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.